And now, The View from Washington, an explanation of U.S. policy.
The Third Committee of the United Nations General Assembly has adopted a resolution expressing serious concern over ongoing human rights violations in Iran. The resolution was approved by 83 countries, 36 voted against, and 62 abstained. The resolution was adopted after the UN's Special Rapporteur for Human Rights in Iran, Ahmed Shahid, reported to the committee in October a deepening human rights crisis in Iran. At a press briefing, Mr. Shahid told reporters that Iran, as President Hassan Rouhani himself has said, needs to have a charter that establishes equality for all Iranian people.
My biggest concerns are about inequality and discrimination, whether it's women, whether it's the minority, or the religions. That's an issue that is there. The other issues are about the use of public order and national security laws in ways that undermine media freedom.
U.S. Ambassador to the United Nations Samantha Power welcomed the Third Committee's adoption of the resolution, observing the deep concern expressed by the committee regarding Iran's rights violations. The resolution, she noted, called on the Iranian government to fully abide by its human rights obligations, eliminate discrimination against all religious and ethnic minorities, address pervasive gender inequality, and respond positively to the UN's Special Rapporteur's request to visit Iran to carry out his mandate.
That was The View from Washington, an explanation of U.S. policy.